Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about internet computer. Love each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support on these internet computer updates. You guys know the drill. Continue supporting and you will see the continuation of these updates. So we'll keep it quite brief, see what really is happening as we are going into Tuesday morning. FOMC meeting does take place today and tomorrow. Obviously, a lot of people are anticipating, rate cuts that are happening. You're seeing, majority of the market actually seeing a little bit of a red across the board. Nothing too major, but the market is seeing a little bit of a retracement, and I think that is highly due to the sell the news event that's really taking place. Because of course, at the end of the day, there's not 100% certainty that there will indeed be a rate cut, but of course, a lot of projections obviously being made. But the people that have been cooking and making some profits over the course of the last week are not wanting to take any risk, and I'm all for it. Locking in profits never hurts. Do not let anyone else tell you otherwise. But looking at ICP down about 2%. If you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, we have seen obviously that update, but we know that internet computer is up quite a bit over the course of the last 1 week, with the market cap currently sitting at 3.73 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $73.6 million. So price is back below $8, currently sitting at $7.94, down about 1.6% in Bitcoin comparative as well. Current rank in the crypto market ranks is at the top 28, which is not bad. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the dominance index, and I'm sure if you do follow the channel on a regular basis, you guys know how important this level really is. You're seeing the dominance picking up traction quite fast. It's pushing towards new yearly highs, and I do anticipate that if we indeed were to get a rate cut, I expect that the dominance will continue to go higher, because I think the rate cut could actually push the price of Bitcoin towards new all-time highs. Obviously, it's not going to happen in a snap, but I think it could gradually start heading towards new all-time highs. And a lot of analysts are projecting this, and this rate cut could occur at a very, very important time, because of course Q4 is projected to be a very bullish month for the crypto. Very bullish quarter for crypto. And a lot of people are excited about that, and I think the timing will work perfect with that. But obviously, one step at a time. But let's take a look at what is happening with Bitcoin price. So of course, Bitcoin actually retested the key support at 57,883 after losing the support. So a lot of manipulation happening. Number one, obviously a lot of longs that were piling up around this range got liquidated. So a quick reminder why you don't want to be leverage trading. But you're seeing a little bit of a green candle formation kind of forming within the price of Bitcoin, and I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin makes its way back above 60K very fast, depending on how the meeting goes tomorrow. But looking at ICP right now, you can see it is obviously falling a little bit lower compared to yesterday, and obviously Bitcoin dominance is one of the reasons, and of course BTC on the other hand. You're looking at internet computer being supported by some significant support, which of course I indicated to you guys yesterday how important the support really is. So far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing, especially the fact that I did kind of indicated this in the yesterday's update, but if you missed it, no problem. In July, we saw the price retest 750, so pretty much a higher lows and higher highs kind of occurring, if you can see within this time frame. Pretty much you could see this for yourself. We haven't hit the low of July, even though we have seen very sharp drops and dominance sitting at yearly highs, and speaks about the momentum itself. What does this show us? This shows us internet computers momentum. But looking at the price, it's holding at some very critical support. Obviously, knowing this, we have spoken about this before. Obviously, if the support were to be lost, a potential retest down to 682 obviously could be a reality. But again, that is a sharp drop. That is not a small drop. That's a 14.45% drop. So obviously, Bitcoin loses the support, makes its way back down to September 5th lows. That could definitely be a reality. But obviously, if the rate cuts happen, I think the market will actually look bullish rather than bearish. But obviously, only time is going to tell. The target remains the same. I have my eyes on the 977 zone, but we cannot be ignoring how dominance works. You need to understand how dominance index works, what kind of impact it can have on altcoins, and how altcoins can trade against Bitcoin in times where, you know, the dominance is so high. But so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. And yeah, you know, the target remains the same. I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know what excites you the most about internet computer. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.